Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today my topic is history of pharmacy. In this, the word pharmacy, which is derived from Greek word pharmakon, which means the drug or a medicine, and it is an art and science compounding of a dosage form and preparing of the dosage form for administration of the drug in a man, and its main aim is to provide the relative information to the general public in ensuring the safety of the drug. By this, the general public can easily take the medicine. It includes a collection, identification, purification, isolation, synthesis, standardization and quality control of medicines or a medicinal substances. And going to pharmacist or a drug man. Who is pharmacist? And the certified person who make or sell the drugs or a medicines is known as a pharmacist or a drug man, and the place where he works is known as pharmacy, and it may be shop or a part of the hospital. The father of pharmacy is Professor William Proctor, and he is the American pharmacist, and he did undergraduation from Philadelphia College of Pharmacy in US, and he is well known for his role in establishing American Pharmacists Association and his major work in developing of US pharmacopoeia, and he is the first author or editor of first pharmacy textbook in America. The father of pharmacy is Professor William Proctor, and the father of pharmacy in India is Mahadev Lal Scroff. He is also known as an M.L. Scroff, and after his completion of intermediate, he joined in engineering in Banaras Hindu University at Varanasi, and later, due to some arguments with his principal, Charles A. King, he was asked to leave the college, and he was after leaving his college, he also left India and he went to China, Japan and US. After in US, he joined undergraduation in arts with honor of chemistry, and later PG MS in chemistry and microbiology in Massachusetts Institute of Technology. After return back to the India, he joined job in Birla Brothers. Later, with the help of JL Bajaj, he was introduced to the Vice Chancellor of Banaras Hindu University, Madan Mohal Malviya, and he was requested to join as a staff with honorable position, and joined as a professor in Banaras Hindu University. He argued with the Vice Chancellor to start the pharmaceutical chemistry as a separate branch. Then he also got succeeded, and in 1932 he introduced the pharmaceutical chemistry as a principal subject in BSc course, and in 1934 an integrated 2 years BSc course with the 3 subjects including pharmacochemistry, pharmacy and the pharmacognosy, and in 1937 it was turned into a full-fledged 3 years B Pharmacy course, and it is the first time in India. The word pharmaceutics is defined as manufacturing process, storage, sale and purchase and quality control of drugs, and its chemical entity shows pharmacological action in human and animal, and that used for diagnosis, prevention, treatment and cure of the diseases. And according to the WHO World Health Organization, it is defined as a modify, exploit the physiological system or pathological states for the benefits of the recipients.